Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back with me, Muhammad Kaf Hafatullah. And in this video is about learning how to make CRUD in PHP and MySql. So CRUD stands for, or the acronym of create, read, update and delete. So we're gonna make this in PHP and MySql. So first thing first, you're gonna need this app, this software called as AMPP for our local host. So you're gonna hit install or hit download based on your operating system, of course. If you have Windows, click this, or Linux, click this, or iOS, or what is it, OS X, you're gonna hit this. So after that, after you download the app, your XMPP app, open it and hit the start button. First, if you don't have it installed, so you just gonna install it by clicking this button right here, two buttons, and we need Apache and MySql to be started. So just hit start here, hit start both Apache and MySql, and then you're gonna type in manually on your URL, type in localhost dash slash dashboard here, and then you're gonna get to the website, and then you're gonna click PHP my admin like so, and then we're gonna create a new database here called PHP CRUD. I have it right here, or I'm just gonna delete it first. We're gonna start from scratch, so hit new to create a new database and name it PHP CRUD. This is for the database name. Hit create, and then the table name is gonna be contact, because we're gonna make a contact table. And the number of columns we need the column of ID, and then name, and then email, phone number, and maybe job. So we need 5 columns. Then hit create. Alright, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. So what we're gonna do is type in here for the first column. It's gonna be an ID with a type of integer. Keep it like this. And then for the name, we're gonna type in here name, and then we need an email column, so type in email, and then phone number, just keep it phone like so, and then job, make it job, and then for the type, we want it to be varchar for the name, as well as the email and the phone, and also the job column. And for the length or values, we want the ID to be only maximum 11 digits, so type in 11 for the maximum characters or digits you will have. And for the name, let's just make it 50 somehow, just 50 for the maximum digits. Phone, make it 30, and then for the jobs, make it 50 also. And then here on the ID columns, you're gonna check the AI for auto increment. Check the AI and index primary. This one is for automatically sorter the ID, so the ID will change automatically when you adding or creating a new contact. So that's it. Keep the rest blank. We don't need the rest of it to be filled, so keep it like that and just hit save. There we go. We have the table contact here inside the PHP CRUD database. Okay, so what we're gonna do next, we need a script to run this database. So I have the script here with me, all of it here. There is create, delete functions, index, PHP CRUD, read, style, and update. So let's just open it. Let's start from the style, or no, just okay. I'm opening it in the VS Code or Visual Studio Code. So here we have create PHP and then delete functions, index PHP CRUD, SQL, read, style, and then update. First we have here style CSS for the index, where for the index style, also the read PHP style. We use this style CSS, and then for the CRUD function, we have it right here, function database host, and then localhost, and then the database name is gonna be your database name. Here we have it PHP CRUD, so you need PHP CRUD here. The name is gonna be PHP CRUD, and then for the create PHP, here we must include the label. It's gonna be the same as your contact label. It's gonna be the same. Is no, actually have to be the same. Name, ID, name, email, phone, job. Email, ID, name, and then email, phone, job. Here, execute ID, name, email, phone, job. Make sure to make it exactly the same as your table name. That's it for the name, execute, as well as the delete. This is the code, the PHP, and then functions, index. This is the main index, our main index HTML page, and then we have SQL here. Create table contact. Contact is gonna be your table name, and then ID is the name of the contact. I mean the table. Here you have inputted the same values. And then we have read PHP style, just like so. Okay, so this is the code or the script of our PHP localhost database, or PHP CRUD. So we're gonna open it. We're going to open the PHP database from the localhost. So what you're gonna do is go into your libraries or your computer files, and then you're gonna copy it, the folder you have created here, the script. You're gonna copy it to your, here we have xmpp, and then get into your htdocs file, and then you're gonna paste it here, php CRUD, like so. And then back to the browser. Sorry. Okay, so make another tab, type in localhost slash your folder, php CRUD, hit enter, and then we have the main website HTML here, main or home page of our website. And then here we can see in the context we have name, email, phone number, job, like we created before. ID, name, email, phone, job. So this hashtag is the ID. Let's create a new context. For example, just for the email, this is just for example, lawyer, because why not. And then contact, back to the contact, and then here, no, just let's make another one just for example. Create, I'm gonna make it to 6. This is just an example, okay? You can input the right or the real or the correct name. Okay, 5, another one. Okay, so when we have more than 5 ID, the button here will appear, and it will get to the next ID, to the next contact. So the code, the script of that is on the read PHP here, records per page. So if you want it to have maximum of page 6, then you're gonna change it to 6 or even 10, so it will have 10 lists, and then when you get to the 11th, the button will appears. So here is the records per page. We use only 5, so the list appears will gonna be only 5 lists, like so. And then you can edit here. You can input your name here, and then update, and update it successfully, just like so. And this data will appear in your database also. Here in the contact table, it will appear here, as you can see. And you can edit the data or the contact here from here also. Just edit. Okay, that's it. That's all you need to learn, you need to know. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.